Hello children, today our topic sense organs, 4th class syllabus. Sense organs. What do you mean by sense organs, children? Our body divided in 3 parts: head, trunk, limbs. Limbs means hands and legs. Now we are going to head parts. Look once. In the head we see mouth, cheek, ear, eyebrow, hair, forehead, eye, nose and chin. Am I right? Children, one question. How can we see? How can we hear? Which part is help to smell, children? Look here. The nose is the sense of smell. Ear is sense of sound. Eye is sense of sight. Tongue is sense of taste. And hand is sense of touch. Hand means skin. These are all called sense organs. Sense organs are 5. They are located in our head part. These sense organs are very sensitive. Look at this picture, children. You observe, eyes is help to see the aquarium fish, the girl child. We are care of the eyes. Read in an appropriate light only. Too dim or too bright light is harmful to our eyes. While reading, keep distance of 30 centimeters between the eyes and the book. Watch television from a minimum distance of 6 feet. Do not look at the sun or at bright lights directly, children. It may damage the sight. Do you know, children? The Braille script is used by blind people to read. People who can't to see blind, but they can walk with support of special stick. They can read a special script called Braille. The man who invented special script and named Louis Braille. You know, he is also blind man. And also another thing, children. Beehive have 5 eyes, typical from other insects. The birds like eagle, vulture and hawks have a very good sense of vision. The owl can see in the dark also. Look this picture, children. How can this boy smells? Yes, it's the help of nose. We breathe and smell things with our nose. The hairs in the nose filter dust particles in the air and help us to breathe clean air. Which smells do you like and which do not like? So you also take some care of nose. Do not put any objects inside the nose. If anything struck inside the nose, gently blow it out. Or consult a doctor immediately. If the nose is blocked due to cold, it's better to inhale vapor that will help to clear it. Always breathe with the nose and not with the mouth, children. Do you know another thing, children? Animals like dogs and cats have a very keen sense of smell. Sniffer dogs are used by the police for tracking criminals also. Elephants can smell water even from a distance of 3 kilometers. Do you know? Cats can hear even low noise also. Look at the picture, children. The boy hear radio with the help of ear. So that's why we understood the ear helps to hear some things. The eardrums present in your ears are very sensitive. If you hear loud sounds like thunder, Diwali crackers, loudspeakers or music continuously through the earphones, it may damage your sense of hearing. We should keep our ears clean. So we give some care of ears. Do not clean the ears with the hairpin, matchsticks, or any other objects. Dry the ears after taking a bath with a soft cloth, as water may go into the ears and harm you. Do not insert pencil or slate pencil into your ears, as they may damage your ears. Few drops of hydrogen peroxide is used to remove the wax from the ears. Look at this picture, children. Here you have your one question. Can you speak without moving your tongue? No, just try. It is also senses sweet, bitter, and sour through the taste buds present on the tongue. It helps us to taste different food. So we are care of the tongue. Clean your tongue daily with the tongue cleaner after brushing. Do not clean your tongue, it may cause bad breath. Brush your teeth twice a day, after you wake up and before going to bed. Do not eat too hot or too cold food. They may damage your taste buds and teeth. The people who cannot talk use sign language to express their feelings. Do you know, children? Do you know one thing? Frogs, lizard, chameleon use their tongue to catch food. Giraffes have long tongue. Snakes use their tongue to feel the sense of smell also. Look at this picture, children. What she shows you? She shows skin. Our body is covered with the skin, which helps us to feel the things around us. The skin allows to you know whether the things are hot, cold, rough, smooth, hard, soft, etc. The skin is the most sensitive of all these senses. So, we care of the skin. Have a bath daily. Always use a mild soap. Always keep your skin dry and clean to prevent infections. Take extra care of your skin around fingers, toes, knees, elbows, private parts, as they are likely to get infection easily. Take a bath after a play. Bathing washes away the dirt and sweat. Do you know another thing, children? The skin of a snake can sense its enemies even a little distance away also. So, once again recall our understanding. Eyes to see, ear to hear, nose to smell, tongue to taste, skin to sense of touch. We know good touch and bad touch. Here in this picture we show private parts of body. It is never right for anyone to look at, touch or talk about your private parts. There are some body parts that no one should see or touch, like our chest, between our legs and our bottom. These parts are called private parts. Some peoples may play dirty tricks to abuse children. Some of them tempting you with gifts or money, distracting you with the promise of sweets or food, touch your body unnecessarily while talking, force you to kiss or kiss you without your permission, offer to dress you or undress you. How to check signs of bad touch in your friends and family? They are always alone and sad. They afraid of a particular person, asking to accompany wherever they go. Lack of interest in studies. These symptoms is we know they are in suffering of bad touches. We know, children, we have a helpline of child favor. It is a national childline helping line. It is working as 24/7. The number is 1098. Let us sum up, children, what we learned in the class today. Sense organs help our body to respond to different things. We have to take care of our sense organs. The skin is the most sensitive part of the body. We should say no if it is not bad touch. These things are we learn, children. I think you understand very well the subject. Thank you for watching and learn new things in my channel.